In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group in Canva. If you've ever been working on a presentation, flyer, or social media graphic and found your text, icons, and images constantly shifting out of place, grouping is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. It helps you treat multiple elements like a single object, which makes moving, resizing, and aligning your design much more efficient. To get started, open Canva and go to your home dashboard. From there, find the design you want to work on in your recent projects, then open it so it appears in the editor. Once your canvas is open, look for the set of elements you want to keep together. This could be a combination of text boxes, shapes, icons, or images that belong in the same section of your layout. Next, you'll need to select all the elements you want to group. There are two simple ways to do this. The first is by clicking and dragging your mouse from an empty area near the elements, creating a selection box around everything you want included. This is especially useful when the items are close together. If your design is more crowded, another option is to hold down the Shift key and click each element one at a time. This gives you more control and helps you avoid selecting the wrong object. Once everything is selected, look toward the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor. You should see an option labeled Group. Click it once and Canva will combine those selected items into one grouped object. You'll know it worked when the elements are surrounded by a single bounding box instead of separate outlines. If you want to work even faster, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. After selecting your elements, press Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac. That will group them instantly. And if you later need to edit just one item inside the group, you don't have to ungroup everything. Simply double click the specific element you want to change, make your edit, and then click away when you're done. The group will stay intact. Before exporting, take a moment to move your grouped elements around the page and check Canva's alignment guides. These visual guides help you snap objects into position and keep your layout balanced. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if your design is for digital use, or PDF print if you're preparing it for print, then click Download to save your finished file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.